Oh, hello. What's up? We're doing it. We're getting in that stream, keeping the streak alive. That's the main goal. Also doing some Boot.Dev. Since it's a different time, I have no idea who's around or what's going on, but we made it. Can you hear me? Yes. Music's on. Yes. It feels so much later than it is right now. I don't know why it feels so late, but it feels like midnight. But it's not. We're only at 9-ish. Oops, sorry. Gotta get that water open. Okay. Who's ready to do some more data structures and algorithms? What? It's gonna be awesome. Oh, I feel like I have to be quiet. And like my kids are sleeping, but they're far enough away that I know I won't wake them up, but I still feel it's like, oh, be quiet. Don't want anyone to hear you, which is silly. Anyways, we're gonna stream, baby. Let me just do all the checks and balances. Oh, what a life. We've got, if you applied for that 5.5 conference or party that OpenAI's throwing, they reset everyone's limits and gave them 10x, which is pretty sweet. What up, 37? I'll come do my trolling duty as soon as I get the kids to bed. Yeah, buddy, do it. That's what, tonight I'm off on bedtime, so I was like, I'm gonna come stream. I gotta get my day in. I gotta do my daily. Well, my Monday through Friday. Good luck with bedtime. Hopefully I'll be around for a while. I don't know what the plan is. This is literally mostly just me, like, I don't want to miss a day. Because as soon as I miss one, then it's over for me. That's game over. Habit, streak, broken. No point of doing it ever again. At least that's how my brain works. Oh, man. I gotta get rid of this beard, I think. I think it's time. It's never gonna grow in. I'm such an horrible beard grower. I think we should just shave it off. Rise and grind, baby. You know it. Or in this case, stay up late and grind. Okay, you go do what you gotta do. I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna start in just a second. We're gonna do stacks. We're on stacks. Stacks on stacks. I'm actually excited about stacks. Stacks and heaps were always something that seemed interesting. And I learned a little bit about it, but not enough to claim any sort of knowledge. I also think I'm stuffed up. Allergy season is getting me. I've been doing outside, like doing a bunch of yard work and stuff, and now I think it's just finally taking its toll on me. But in the meantime, we groove and we learn. Oh yeah, that's the way we do. Okay, so oh, now my ears had some tinnitus happening. What is going on? My body is like, it's 9 o'clock, you fool. You're old. You can't be doing these sorts of things. You need to be resting. Oh, hold on. I just gotta, hilariously, even though I'm doing this at 9, I just got an actual important work message that I've been waiting for all day. Well, let me message it real fast. Let's see. I'm gonna forward that. God, I love this song. Okay, we got our banner. That's a pretty good banner. Not bad. Not bad, Gemini. Oh, what am I doing? I don't want to do anything with that. I want to start this course. Oh yeah, my allergies are getting me. Oh, Oh, I'm so excited. I did a good job. I blocked out all that reflecting light with that poster from Omicron. It's working perfectly. Ugh, so good. Oh yeah, I can like feel the asthma and the allergies just slowly building. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, let's check it out. I need to check out one last thing, and then we are on. On like the Kong of Donkey. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready to learn about stacks. Stacks on stacks on stacks. Oh yeah. Let's get started. Okay. Stacks. A stack is a data structure that stores ordered items. It's like a list, but its design is more restrictive. It only allows items to be added or removed from the top of the stack. And that makes sense. Okay. Let's watch the vid. I'm gonna get one of those. Oh, actually, I was thinking about this would be a fun little project. I have. Oh shit! What did I do with it? Oh yeah, here. I have this little thing that is 100% when it came. The firmware that came with it, it immediately got flagged as malware, but somebody rewrote all the firmware. And I was thinking with Claude or Codex, I could probably write my own software for it, and then I don't need to go buy one of those fancy schmancy stream pads. I can just use this, and I can make it whatever I want. And these buttons, they also click, which is cool, like these volume knobs. So I think maybe when I get through this course, because what are we on? We're on chapter 7. Oh, we still got so many chapters. But when we get through this course, I'm thinking that this could be a fun project to do. Of just making this, taking Codex and turning this into something real. Look at it, it's clicky too. Oh yeah. So then I can have my own little stream deck without having to buy a stream deck. Seems like it'd be a fun project. I'll put it over there. Okay. Now we fly. So, if that's what we're going to do, then let's get started with... Okay, let's do it. Let's get started. We're going to do what we can today. Okay, we were reading stacks. We were pausing music. That was the whole point of what we were going to do. Oh, also, my computer thinks I'm talking to it, which I am not. Stop listening to me, computer. I don't know who you think you are. Oh man, look at this little wave that's going on right now. Rockin'. Could go emo. Since we're in after hours, should we go emo? I was never an emo kid. I mean, I like the tunes, but I was definitely never an emo dresser. I was the preppiest dresser in the land. I used to wear Dockers to school because I thought they were cool. I was, I, I was a very, very cool high school student. Oh shit. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. All right, let's pause this music like the thing that I said I was going to do for the first 25 minutes and play this video.
Computer science students really overthink stacks. They're just about the easiest data structure to learn though, so honestly don't stress about it. Imagine you're at a salad bar, but before you load up on bacon bits and croutons, you need a plate. Now, it's a self-serve situation, and you notice a giant stack of plates sitting on the counter. Do you grab one from the bottom? The middle? No, because you're not a complete idiot. You grab one off the top of the stack. Okay, but here's the thing. You're with your romantic...
Lane is taking a pretty big swing on here saying that I'm not an idiot, but I appreciate it.
Partner who you're out to dinner with, and they explain they have to leave, and you decide you just don't even want salad anymore. So do you lift the giant stack of plates and shove your plate back at the bottom? Stuff it in the middle?
No, that'd be ridiculous.
Again, no, you're actually a sane human being, so you just set the plate back on top of the stack. And that's
Lane.
it. That's how stack data structures work. You put items onto the top of the stack one at a time, and then you remove them off the top again one at a time. Once something has been pushed down to the very bottom of the stack, you actually have to take everything else off the top before you can get down to it. Stacks are last in, first out. LIFO. That makes them restrictive, but useful in specific situations where you're okay with that limitation. For example, undo or redo in a word processor, or the back button in your browser history. Those are real world examples that actually use stacks under the hood. And the real benefit of stacks is that they're super fast. Pushing and popping items onto a stack are both order 1 operations.
Okay, all right. Which I guess makes sense, because if you don't have to care about how big the stack is at all, you just need to know what the top item is, the first item. That's pretty sweet. Okay, it's called a stack because it behaves just like a stack of physical items. Imagine a stack of plates. It's easy to take an item off the top of the stack, but you can't really get to the items in the middle or at the bottom without removing the items on top first. You'll often hear a stack referred to as a LIFO, last in, first out, data structure. I know Lane covers some of the stuff that I then go on and reread, but I feel like it helps me. Whoever decided to take this simple concept and slap a nasty acronym on it should be forced to program in Prolog for the rest of their days. Oh, Lane. Assignment. In this chapter, we'll build a stack from scratch. A stack will be useful at locked in when we need undo redo functionality. For example, a user can add other users to their connections list and then undo the last connection they added. Stacks are a great way to implement undo functionality. For now, we'll just focus on 2 methods, push and size. Notice that the stack class already has a constructor and the underlying list that we'll use to store items. Okay. All right, complete the push method. It should add an item to the top of the stack. The top of the stack is the end of the list in our implementation. So that's append. So that's easy. Complete the size method. It should return the number of items in the stack. Okay, so I'm assuming we're going super duper easy here, where we just need to do return item. Oh, I don't remember how to do classes. It's been too long. I struggled with this last time. Oh, I need to fix this light. This light's way too bright. Hold on. I think it's just too bright of a purple, because it's actually not that bright of a light right now. That's actually crazy. What if I just turn it this way a little bit more? How about that? Yeah, that's good. That's much better. See, I just want a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so hold up. Music back on. Bink. Okay, so I just don't remember how to do this. When it's self an item, can you just do item.items? No. Is it just that? No, duh. It's items.append item, right? Shoot. I know, because you can't use self. That doesn't make sense. You have to use... Oh my gosh, I don't remember how to do this. I don't remember how classes work. Complete. It should add an item to the top of our list, the top of the stack, and the end of our list. So yeah, I know what I need to do. I just don't remember how these things work. This always threw me off. So if we're getting an item, okay, that doesn't make any sense. That's definitely not it, but I can't remember how to do it. The number of items in the stack, return length of... See, I know it's not this. That's what's... I just don't remember how to do it. I wish I could remember. I know I could look this up. I might have to, just because I don't remember how to do classes and objects in Python. It's been too long. I started this course way too long ago. Okay. So... Oh, wait a second. Already a constructor and the underlying list will use to store items. Complete the push method. It should add an item to the top of the stack. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm not going to remember how to do this though, looking it up. It's been too long. Well, let's just try some things. Print item. I just want to see what we get. Okay, so we're getting a dictionary. So we just want to add it to the end. I still think it's got to be append, right? If I do print self, will that do anything? Oh, yeah, it does the object. Okay, that makes sense. So, wait, can I do self item? Oops. Ah, what's happening? No, this is also stupid. Wait, is that what I have to do? Item? Wait. Oh, okay. And length of... I can't just do that, right? No. Oops, hold on. First of all, we have to do return. Ah! Oh my gosh, I don't know how to spell. Length of... Is that it? I did remember how to do it. We got there. I didn't think I was gonna remember how to do that at all. I feel quite proud about that right now. That is epic. Way to go, me. Absolutely crushing it. Dang, me. All right, let's make sure that that runs and submits properly. Boom. Hell yeah, dude. I feel really good about that one. All right, what's next? Oh, speaking of random things, these Pringles are so good and so addictive that I have told myself I can never buy them again. They are just absolutely ridiculous. Like, so good. Well, I don't think anyone's in here right now, so I'm going to just focus on something else really fast. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. I don't think I'm going to last very long. I was hoping, but I'm exhausted. Well, we're going to get through stacks at least. How long stacks? Only 7? We can get through 7. I feel confident. We might go longer. But I am definitely feel like I'm going to fall asleep. What if I just fell asleep while streaming? Just wait. That'd actually be kind of funny. If just wake up the next morning still on stream in my chair. Is that against TOS? Is that against Twitch TOS? Can you film yourself sleeping if you fall asleep in a chair? Okay, stack speed. You might be wondering, why would I use a stack instead of a list? Good question. Or isn't this just a list with fewer features? Even better question. And you'd be right, a stack is a list with fewer features, but that's the point. By restricting the ways we can interact with the data, we guarantee that certain operations are blazingly fast. Here are all the operations a typical stack supports, along with their big O time complexity. So, push is O1, add an item to the top of the stack. Pop, O of 1, remove and return the top item from the stack. Peek, O of 1, return the top item from the stack without modifying the stack. Size, O of 1, return the number of items in the stack. Oh yeah, you know what I didn't do was check the solution. Okay, good. We did it right. Although, oh, I didn't have to do return here. Interesting. I actually don't know why, but, well, I also can't click that for some reason. Interesting. I wonder why I didn't have to press return there. Anyways, we'll look into that. It's all O of 1. That means no matter how many items are in the stack, these operations will always take the same amount of time. Stacks are really fast and are usually the best choice when the behavior of a stack is all you need. Okay, makes sense. So which operation is O1? Size, push, pop, peek, all of them. Number 5. There we go. Thank you, us. Good job. All right, and next, where can items be added to and removed from a stack? From the top. Yay! Good job, everybody. All right, pop and peek. Now that we can add items to our stack, we need to be able to view the top item and remove the top item. Okay. Assignments. Complete the peek method. It should return the top item from the stack without modifying the stack. If the stack is empty, return none. Complete the pop method. It should remove and return the top item from the stack. If the stack is empty, return none. Okay. So it should return the top item from the stack without modifying the stack. So it just needs to return the last or the top item without modifying it. So how would we do that? Self dot items dot -1. I think that's right. And do I need to do return? Should probably do the next one because that's not helpful. And pop self, it should remove and return the top item from the stack. So that's going to be self dot items remove and return dot pop. Oh wait, yeah, this is kind of weird. If I'm just calling pop on, I guess. Well, whatever. We're just gonna do that anyways. Pop items -1. Can I do that? We're gonna find out. Does that work? Oh, we failed. Okay. We're failing all over the place. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Well, hold on. First, let's just... Do we need to write return on this one? Did that change anything? Operation 1, Alice, developer. Number 2, Operation 3, size 2, stack. Operation 4, peak. Oh yeah, did we do this? Okay, and Operation 5 is broken. That's fine. We're fine with broken. Because we'll fix it. Like, there's no way it can just be as simple as this. Items.pop. That would be insane, right? Okay, good. Whew, I feel better about that. I would have been kind of annoyed if that was it. Okay. Do I need to do... Oh, wait. Can I do that? No, that's silly. Self.items. Do I need the return here? Let's check it out. Let's check out number 4. I don't think I do. We're going to find out, but I don't think I actually need that. The pop is the one that I am not sure about. It should remove and return the number. I gotta read a tip. Let's read the tip. The del keyword can be used to remove an item from the list by index. Aha! So we need del. Like this? Oh wait, that's too silly. What if we just do del? No, that doesn't work. Del is not defined on list. Okay. Wait. You can't just like do that, can you? Is that that's not how del works? That would be insanity. Self.items.del. No wait. Self.items -1.del. Can you do that? No, it doesn't like that one. Let's read about it. Let's read about the del keyword. So there is a way to remove an item. Oh, it's like that. Oh, it's literally interesting. Oh, okay. So you can do del self.items -1. What if I do that? Oh no, I can't return. So wait, what? I should read that more. What does it do? There's a way to remove an item from a list given its index of its value, the del statement. This differs from pop method, which returns a value. The del statement can be used to remove slices from a list or clear the entire list. which we did earlier by assignment of an empty list to the slice. So for example, del A is 0, A, okay, so it just deletes it. So if we want to remove and return the top item from the stack. So my question is, does it want me to remove the item and return that item? Or does it want me to remove that item and then return the new top item? I feel like it wants me to remove that item and then return it, which means, can I give it a variable? Item equals, can I do that? No. Okay, so when I do the del, it just gets rid of it, right? Which is fine. Okay. So it deletes it. That's cool. But then how do I return it? That's the part I'm missing. Do I need to grab it before deleting it? Like that? Yeah, okay, we're getting close. I just need to handle the if it's empty. And if the stack is empty, return none. So I mean, I could just do if length of self dot items self dot items is less than 1, then return none. And I could do the same for this, just in case. If dot items is less than 1, then return none. Will that work? Oh! Oh yeah, baby. Okay, now let's submit all of it. Does it pass everything? Yeah, let's check the solution. Oh, it just likes equals 0. Shh, whatever. We did it. Oh my gosh. I think I've only been streaming for like 30 minutes. I feel like I've been streaming for hours right now. Late night is not my jam, it turns out. I mean, I do like the party music, but... Well, we got that one. Okay. Stack review. All supported operations are O of 1 by themselves. However, some tasks, like getting to an item at the bottom of the stack, have a higher time complexity because they require multiple pop operations. Stack operations are limited. No searching, no sorting, no random access. Stacks, like all abstract data types, can store items of any type. What makes it a stack is the behavior of the operations, not the type of data it stores. Stacks are often used in the real world for function call management, undo redo functionality, expression evaluation, browser history. Makes sense. What can be stored in a stack? Your mom's phone number is a fantastic answer, and it's any of these. Awesome. Awesome job, Lane. I love it. Okay. If you want to get to an item at the bottom of a stack, what is the big O retrieve? What is the big O to retrieve that item? So it would be O of n squared, because plates are heavy and Lane is weak, which is why he now writes code instead of bussing tables. O of n, because all other items need to be popped first. It's got to be O of n. Because stacks can be searched using binary search. Incorrect, because the pop operation is O1. That is incorrect. It can't be O1. Or can it? Yeah, we got it. Let the light shine through. Let the light shine through for you. For you, for you. Hold on. I gotta check something. Okay. This is a great song. Bum 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 in December. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh man, I can't believe I'm streaming while the Met Gallery's going on. All right, using a stack. Lock-in supports a basic scripting language. It allows technically savvy HR managers to write scripts that can automate repetitive tasks on the platform. The language makes use of parentheses to group operations together, and we need to be able to check if the parentheses in a script are balanced. Balanced parentheses. Parentheses are balanced when each parentheses has a corresponding parentheses. Oh my god, that's a lot of parentheses. Ha! Too many parentheses. Okay, and the pairs of parentheses are properly nested. For example, beautiful. Little parenthetical boobies. Okay, unbalanced parentheses. It's missing. Complete the isBalance function. It takes a string as input and returns true if the parentheses in the string are balanced and false otherwise. Use an instance of the provided stack class in stack.py to keep track of the parentheses. Man, okay, I'm not gonna lie, this really feels like a complete the owl jump in the lessons that I was doing. So let's see. If the empty parentheses are balanced, then the stack should be empty. Okay. So, just out of curiosity, what comes right now in this input string? Parentheses, as expected. Okay. So, I guess the first thing to say is if input string... I guess, is it? Yeah, we'll just do length of input string equals 0, then return. What do they want me to return? Return. If parentheses string are balanced, return true. So then we need to look at, so now we're looking at if the last, what are we actually looking for? Okay. What is the best way to do this? What is the fastest or the easiest way to check this? What's the stack class it gives me? Okay. Oh, that's just what we already wrote. All right, that's good. So, first of all, let's just run this. We should get some that pass, right? Oh, no. What? So maybe we can't do length of input string. Wait, why did that not work? Because we're not doing the right thing. Hold on, what does that print out? 4. 1. If the parentheses are balanced, then the stack should be empty. So, size. I need to run the size. if size dot input, no, if input string dot size is 0, then return true. Will that work? Ah! String option. Damn it. How do I call? I have to do this. Oh, stack. If stack dot size of input string. Is that what I have to do? What do you mean? It's right there. From stack, import stack. Oh no, that's just saying from stack, import stack. So I actually need to do that. Right? No, shit. Wait, length self.item string object has no attribute items. Well, what in the flip, man? Because it's not an array yet, because it's just an input string, which means I have to split it first. Split? How do you do split? Is it input string dot split? No, I'm messing this up. Maybe it's too late for me. Maybe my brain is not working. Okay. I'm gonna restart this challenge. Yes. And then I will be right back. I'm gonna put up a "will be right back." Oh yeah, we gotta create a banner. And that's what we're gonna leave up. And I'll be right back in just a minute. And maybe I can figure this out. Oh my gosh, that is terrible. That is absolutely terrible. That's a terrible banner. That's a terrible banner. Try again. Come on, I'm holding in. Go to the bathroom so you do a better banner. What are you trying to do to me? That is also terrible, but fine. Okay, I'll be right back. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Okay, we are back. We are back. We are totally back. We're gonna finish this lesson. That's what we're doing. We're gonna sort this out. Okay. So first of all, how do we use stack? We use stack. Whoops. So let me just make sure. Stack dot. What could we do? What do we have in here that we could actually try? It needs to be an item. So, but that's not going to help us because that's just that. Oh wait. Wait. Then the stack should be empty. So, if we do we have to add it to the stack first? Stack dot append input string. Do we have to do that first? Not append. Just do we just have to do stack input string? Oh, what's that? How do you add items to the stack? Oops. Oh yeah, you name it, right? So string equals stack, right? And then we do string dot size. I should be able to just print that now, right? String.size, that gives me the length. So if, can I do this? String.size is less than 1. Oops. Let's do this. Equals 0. Return true. Hey! Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, so now how do we actually check if it's balanced? So now we have the string as an object. So string dot. How do we check if it's balanced? Oh, I mean, we could just cheat, right? Can't we just do return false? Oh, no, it didn't like that. What did it still fail? Input expected false. Oh, okay. Why less than 0? Nope, didn't like that either. If string dot size. Okay, I just want to print this. If I print str, what does that give me? Oh, stack, duh. Print string dot items. Okay. So, oh, because I didn't actually put this in, right? Do I need to do that? No, it doesn't like that. How do I have to do string dot items equals input string? No. Input string? Like that? No, doesn't like that. No. What brain fart am I missing here? Self.items, it adds that, but it just did that for every single one. So it started it. How do I add to the stack? How do I add input string to the stack? I can create an empty stack. Self. Wait, do I have to do this? No, that didn't work. What the flip, man? How do you create a... How... What I don't remember is how you create a new class. That's what I'm struggling with. Because I was able to create an empty class, but that doesn't help at all. And if I just do that, it's not going to add anything. No, that doesn't... That's not right. How the flip do I add it? I thought for sure it was going to be this. But it doesn't like that. Too many positional arguments. Input, expected 1, got 2. Okay. How? I just don't remember how you create a class. How do you add? How do you? Is it? Oh, new. Don't you have to do like new or something? str equals new. New. Stack. Input string. New. Oh, how do you do it? I can't remember. I don't want to look it up. I just want to see if I can remember it, but I can't. How? How do you start new? Is it new? New class stack? No. Ah, I can't remember. Okay. All right. Well, flip. I can't remember, and it's been an hour. And my allergies are killing me right now. Okay. I wanted to get my stream in. I did. I'm going to call it. I'm going to get some sleep. And we'll come back tomorrow, 3 in the afternoon. Standard. Okay. Peace out.